Hi grade 4s, I hope you're doing well. Today we are going to look at making 3D objects from nets, and that's unit 68 and 69 on pages 112 to 115 of your textbook. So it's the next couple of exercises that you're going to do, and it starts off with exercise 68A, which you're not going to do in your book. Instead of that, I'm going to quickly do it with you on this video. So they tell you to take a box and take it apart. So over here, I have the box from the tea that my little baby loves. And if you take it apart, they tell you to cut it, but I actually just took it apart at the sides where it was glued together. You can open it up and open the sides like this. And then whether you hold it that way or that way around, it becomes a flat piece of carton that is folded in specific places. Now this flat piece of carton we call a net. And this piece of carton, or if you use paper, whatever you use, can be folded into a 3D shape. So right now when it's flat, it's a 2D shape, and it's not a specific shape. As you can see, it's got all weird kind of shapes and sizes, but the basic parts are these 4 parts here and the 2 on the side, which forms all of the surfaces of my 3D shape, and they are all rectangles. These extra little flaps on the side and at the bottom are just there to hold the whole thing together. So if I fold this up and the sides in and I glue them together, it becomes a rectangular prism, which is a 3D shape. Okay, now they ask us different questions in the textbook. First they ask what shape it is, and we just said it's a rectangular prism. Then they ask, has the shape changed when you put it together? Absolutely, because when I look at it like this, when it's just a net, it's a strange shape. We can't even name it. It's not a rectangle or a circle or an oval or a square. It's just a strange shape. But when I put it together as a 3D shape, it becomes a rectangular prism. Or if you look at it from this side or that side or that side, it looks like a rectangle. How many faces does it have? They ask us. So if I put this box together, if I can just hold it together, let's count the faces of this shape. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. The top is 5 and the bottom is 6. It has 6 faces. Are these faces flat or curved? All of them are flat. I don't have any curved shapes, or faces rather. And then are they the same shape and size? In this case, they are the same shape. All of them are rectangles. Even this side looks almost like a square, but if you measure them, the top and bottom sides are shorter than the sides. And so they're all rectangles, but they are different sizes. If I had a box that is a perfect cube, they would all be the same shape and size, all of the sides of the shape. Okay, and so that is it. So now you know what a net is, you know how we make a 3D shape from it. So now in today's, the next lesson in unit 69, you are going to make a couple of nets and use them to make a 3D shape. So this one, for example, that's one of the nets that you will make. You can see it's a circular form. That was a piece of it was cut out, and this little part that I colored in purple is going to be the little flap that you use to glue it together. So when you fold it in like that and you glue that part together, it forms a 3D shape known as a cone. Okay, and then your other net will look something like this. Isn't it awesome? It looks like a cross. Reminds me of what Jesus did for us. And these are all squares. All of the sides are squares. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like the net I showed you for the tea box. And if we fold these ones to the side, fold these up, and this one, and you glue all the little flaps together, it forms a perfect 3D cube. Okay, and there's many other different ones that you'll make. I hope you have fun with this lesson, and hopefully we'll get to see each other soon in class and we can make some together. Bye guys.